Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 46 for learning management system in Django with ReactJs. In our previous video, we have fetched all the technologies which have been entered from the teacher when he had the course. Okay, we have fetched all of the technologies and we linked with the category page. So when we click on this Python, it will fetch all the course which have same technology. Which have technology Python entered. Okay, now we are going to work on the same thing but in the teacher detail page. In the teacher detail page, teacher is entering the skills. Okay, teacher, when teacher register, then he enter the skills. Okay, when we click on this, we will again redirect on the same page. Okay, the category page. Okay. So one thing more, we will redirect on the category page but with the specific teacher. Okay, so if teacher has suppose teacher added the PHP, Python and JavaScript skills, when we click on the JavaScript, it will fetch all the courses related to the JavaScript with this teacher. Okay, so let's do this. So first of all, I'll go to the model here. Okay, and in the model, like we have added in our course, we will copy this. Okay, and we will paste it here. Teacher, we will paste it here, and this will be skill list. Skills, and we are making it list. Okay, and in the serializer we will add skill list. Okay, now it will fetch all of the skills. So let's go to, so if we click here, then it will redirect to the category page. Okay, but we want the same as category but also filter with this particular teacher. Okay, so what we will do, here we have a course detail page. We don't need the course detail page, we need the teacher detail page. So first of all, what I will do here, I'll copy. We are fetching in the serializer, we can fetch easily now. So what I will do, I will set this skill set. Okay, we will copy from here, paste it here, and this will be our skill list, and this will be set skill list, and we will set skill list here, and this will be skill list. Right now here we will copy this, okay, and paste it here. Just a moment. Here, this is our skills. So yeah, fine, paste it here, and this will be skill list map skill dot trim. Right now if we refresh this page, okay, it's not working. Let's see. We have this teacher, we have this model. In the teacher model skill list, in the serializer we have skill list, the teacher serializer skill list we have, and from there I'm fetching the response data. Okay, let's go to the API and let's check this, that it is returning the required things or not. So here we are, and if I'll go to the URL, so here we have a teacher. Okay, so let's go to teacher, or you can say we have a teacher detail 1 teacher. So this is the skills, and it is not returning the, yeah, it is returning the skill list, PHP, JavaScript and Python. Okay, so let's go to teacher detail, and here we have a skill dot trim. So it should show, I don't know why it is not showing. Skill list is not defined. Okay, let's go here, skill list is not defined. Oh, this is the issue. Right, now we are here. Okay, so we need some space. Yes, how we have given? Okay, we have given and BSP and blank space, right? So we have this PHP and JavaScript and Python because this is not comma separated. Okay, so when we click on the PHP, it will fetch all the courses related to the PHP. When we click on this page, then it will fetch all the course related to JavaScript and Python. But now what I'm going to do, it is redirecting the category page. We will create a teacher category, or we can say teacher skills page. Okay, so I'll just copy the, okay, I will make it from scratch. So what I will do, first of all, component, let's open the category courses. Okay, so I'm copy this and paste it here, and let's say teacher skills or category courses, teacher skill courses. This name is right. So let's say name it teacher skill. Right now we are sending the category, we will also send the teacher ID. Okay, so we have this data. Okay, now let's move to the main component. Go here, the main, and we will fetch here the data category courses. So okay, we don't need from here, we need from the root. So this will be teacher skill courses, right? And from teacher skill courses, we will say here, we will say teacher skill courses, we will say the skill slug, skill name, you can say, and then we will say teacher ID, right? And this name is teacher skill courses. Oh, sorry, copy, paste it here, and this name will go in the teacher detail, and this will be here. And let's say this is our skill name, and then we need teacher ID. Okay, so this will be teacher dot ID, right? So let's see now, if we refresh the page, it is showing nothing. Category courses is not defined. Okay, let's see where it is saying category courses is not defined. Category courses is not defined. Okay, we need to export this as, okay, now it should be fine. So here we have a courses, but it is showing the double slash, so we need to remove the double slash from here, right? So now it's when we click on this, we didn't created the page. Why it is showing this? Okay, now it seems everything is fine. When we click on this, we didn't created teacher skill course. Actually we created that, but we need to fetch the data. Okay, so we need fetch all the data. So this will be skill, what we say in main, what it is saying, skill name. All right, skill name, and what is the other name is teacher ID. Okay, now we will use this teacher ID and skill name. So from courses we will say teacher skill name is this, plus we will say and teacher equal to this teacher ID. Okay, so course. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, let's see what it is saying. Category slug is not defined, so where it is saying, okay, we need to show here the skill name, right? So here we have everything is working now. So it is fetching all the data. Okay, it is fetching all the data. It means actually it goes to, let's go to views, and if we go to course list, it is saying if result then this will work, if category then this will work, else everything is work. So that it is showing all of the data, but we need filter the data according to the skill and according to the this thing. Okay, so actually skill is nothing but technology, so we will search this search from the technology, and we will show or we will also see that this teacher is, we will also filter from this particular teacher. Okay, so I will add here if skill name in the category, okay, then we will do skill name equal to this and technology contains this skill name, right? Now if we refresh the page here, so it is showing, but it is not skill name. Okay, so skill name is PHP and it should filter the data. Okay, what we are passing here, we are passing here the skill name, yes, and the teacher. Okay, so if I go here, and click on this, click on let's say click on this PHP. So we have lots of things in the PHP. Okay, so we have this data. Okay, let's go to this page, and if I go to the network, and let's see that what it is saying, why is not fetching the data. Okay, so we have this thing. Okay, let's go to response here. Okay, it's working now. I think the page has been not refreshed properly, so that now we also need to filter with the teacher. So if skill name in this and teacher ID in, I hope we are passing the teacher ID. No, we are passing only the teacher. Very nice, very nice. Click here. Okay, click John Doe, click on the PHP, it's showing the data. Now we need to filter according to the teacher. So this is teacher and we need to find this teacher ID. So what I will do, models dot teacher dot objects dot filter. Okay, and this will be ID equal to we will say teacher dot first. Okay, because if you use the get, then if this ID will not match, then you will face an error. Okay, so that I am doing this. So teacher equal to this, right? So now if you go here, click Laravel example, John Doe and PHP. So we don't have any data of this teacher. Okay, so no, we should have data because this John Doe added a course. Okay, let's go to dashboard, my courses. So I have added these courses, Laravel framework. If I click on edit, I have added the, okay, I didn't added the what, Django full course. and if I go to edit here, okay, I didn't, why this is not showing the data? Django framework, okay, Laravel with example, and if I say PHP JavaScript submit here, my courses, edit, okay, it's not showing the data here. First of all, we need to check this, that why it is not showing the data in the edit form. Okay, we are getting some error. Course serializer object is not callable. So it is saying the error where we are fetching the, we need to check this. First of all, I'll go in the component, I'll go to teacher, edit course, and in the edit course we are saying teacher course detail, and in the URL teacher course detail, here we have, and course serializer. What is this? Query set, and let's see. No, we are fetching this course serializer object is not callable. Course serializer, why this is not callable? Okay, actually we are passing the query set here, so that it was not callable. Okay, now we have added the, in the edit course, this is edit course 1. Let's go to the Laravel example. We have added a PHP code igniter Laravel. Okay, fine. So if we click here, click on the John Doe, click on the PHP, it is not fetching the data. We will see that why it is not fetching the data. So here we are, response request, we are saying skill name this teacher equal to 1. Very right. So in the view, if skill name, okay, if I'll remove this, what it will say? Go to Laravel, John Doe, PHP. Okay, so now it is showing response, nothing is showing. So teacher, oh, sorry, actually we have wrongly typed the name. Okay, so let's go here, Laravel with example, John Doe, will say PHP, it will fetch all the data. Okay, because every data. Now let's try to remove this, let's try to remove PHP from here and submit this. Okay, data has been submitted. If I go here, okay, now it is showing 3. Okay, so it means everything is working, and we have also modified this our editing page. I don't know from when this was not working, but now we have fixed that. Okay, so I hope you understand that whatever we have done, you understand all of the things. If you have any query, anything, then please let me know. If you click on this coordinator, it is showing the coordinator. I know that we have added a mix of the data, so that it is not showing exactly. Okay, one thing more, this JavaScript and Python, I just want to extract the words. So if I try to catch I exact, what it will do? It will fetch the data. No, it is not fetching the data. Okay, so if this was only the Python, then okay, Python has data, but JavaScript and Python has no data. Okay, fine, no problem. So we have implemented this thing. If you have any question, any query, then please let me know. And I have completed the 300 videos, and this is the 301. So I hope you will like this, you are liking this series, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please share this video and share this channel, and please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and if you are liking this channel, then please support me via Razorpay or PayPal, or you can also follow me on GitHub. And if you want to access the source code of the projects, then please support me via small donation. I will give you access. Okay, I will give you access of the specific repo, and after supporting, please send me your email ID. Okay, you can send me email ID. I have given all of the information in the about section. In the about section, I have given the email ID, so you can send me your email ID at this. This is my email. Okay, and here I have mentioned all of the UPI. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. One thing more, you can also join the membership. Okay, so you will get lot of things. Okay, I will send you if you have joined the membership, then send me your email ID. I will send you the GitHub repo. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.
Today we are going to start a new project